I mean, I'm standing right now. I'm gonna help you guys. Don't worry. Well, I just want to get someone on that can help me. So come over here, sir. You gotta come to me. Okay. You gotta come over here to the stairs. Yep. It is cold. Yeah. Give me your hand. Okay, it's gonna get deep. Okay, here, come to me. Climb over here if you can. You're good? Okay. Gotcha. Yep, come here. Gotcha. Yep. Yep, come to me. Oh, alright. Oh my God. Yep, try to loop around. There you go. Come here, Papa. Come on. Sir? Got him. There you go. Alright, who's next? Yep. Go. You got it?
I have a question. We have the car and the other corners. Can we go to the...
Want to get the dog? It's okay, Pops. He's not a bite, right? Come on. Come on. Ready? That's it? Let me get some stuff now. Lance, I just gotta get the stuff. They got bags I gotta bring.
Okay. How many people? 1, 2, 3. Next one? Alright. Thank you, man. Hey, if you guys have any trouble, let somebody know. Please.
After the tree to hold on to.
Yeah, either
the fence. Use the fence. You all right, brother?
Yeah.
Right,
that's where I used to get here, so.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, y'all watch your stuff right here, ma'am.
Grace?
Hello, are you Chris?
I got rescued.
Yep.
My brother's coming to pick her up to take this in. We can just get her to the road.
There we go.
Those stairs.
Let's go. I got you, man. Watch the
Watch those stairs. 3 steps. 3 steps.
Where's the first step?
You're right.
Got it.
I got one.
Got it. Got it. We're good.
What's that way, Fire? Master wants to jump up in the back.
I know.
Indian,